The debates are back. Jamaicans will get to watch candidates contesting in the local government election face off in heated debates next week. Jamila Maitland has details.
Vice Chairman of the Jamaica Debates Commission, JDC, Brian Schmidt, during the coin toss Friday morning to determine first preference for the debates. Sandwiching him is the Jamaica Labour Party's Sharon Hay Webster and the People's National Party's Colin Campbell.
The political parties are going to take part in 2 political debates for the local government debates. The first of which will be on Thursday, February 15, and the final debate will be on Saturday, February 17.
The debates have been part of Jamaica's political history for 20 years. It was done in 2016 when local government election was last called and featured many of the prominent faces still in active politics, some of whom are now members of parliament, some of whom, according to the JLP, may return to the stage.
We have Senator Charles Sinclair, Mayor Richard Carey and Councillor Venetia Phillips for the first debate. To be confirmed, reconfirmed, put it that way, because you know there can be a change. And the pool for the second debate is Mayor Senator Delroy Williams, Deputy Mayor Richard Vernon, and one of 2 female councillors, either Whitney Smith Curry of Brampton Division or Tanya Lee Williams of Maypen North.
You will see a few of the existing players, but widely speaking, it will be a showcase of the new and special talent that will be available to the local government system.
This year, the JDC said the debates will focus on the themes local government policy and its relevance, while the second, the local government at work.
The Jamaica Debates Commission does not know the questions. The questions are formulated by our journalists. We have no idea. We know what the questions are at the same time that everybody sees them or hears them when they're asked.
The debates will be live broadcast and are expected to go for 90 minutes starting at 9 p.m. Mr. Schmidt says online debate watch groups will also be available so citizens can critique and have real discussions on the issues afterwards.
First thing, do you want left of stage or right of stage? And that is facing to camera.
Right of stage.
Okay. So therefore, in debate 1, Team JLP will be right of stage, Team PNP will be left of stage. Do you want the opening statement of the first debate or do you want the closing statement?
I want the closing statement.
Okay, so Team JLP will do the closing statement in debate 1, which means Team PNP will have the opening statement in debate 1.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.